Breaking, Treasure NFT Update Drops Today. Big news in the world of NFTs, the highly anticipated Treasure NFT Update has officially dropped today, sending waves of excitement through the crypto and Web3 community. Treasure, a decentralized NFT ecosystem built on Arbitrum, has been making headlines for months with its unique approach to gaming, metaverse integration, and NFT interoperability. Today's update is a game-changer, introducing several new features, partnerships, and enhancements that are expected to elevate the Treasure ecosystem to a new level. What's new in the update? The update includes new game launches. Several new games that are fully integrated into the Treasure ecosystem have been announced. These games use Dollar Magic, Treasure's native token, and NFTs from the ecosystem, allowing players to earn rewards and trade assets across platforms. Expanded interoperability. Treasure is pushing cross-project compatibility to new heights. The update enables NFTs from one game or project to be used in others, further reinforcing the idea of a unified metaverse. Enhanced marketplace. The Trove marketplace has received a major overhaul. Users can now experience faster transactions, better sorting options, and smoother UI, all designed to make NFT trading more efficient. New partnerships. Several new partners, including indie game developers and DeFi projects, have joined the Treasure ecosystem. These collaborations are expected to introduce new use cases for Dollar Magic and expand the reach of the Treasure brand. Community tools. Treasure DAO has introduced new governance tools and community resources to empower holders and contributors. This includes improved voting mechanisms and community grants to support builders and creators in the ecosystem. Why this matters? The Treasure update marks a significant step in the evolution of Web3 gaming. Unlike traditional NFT projects that are isolated, Treasure is building a fully connected ecosystem that benefits both creators and users. By focusing on interoperability, utility, and community-driven growth, Treasure continues to stand out in a crowded market. The update also reinforces the importance of Dollar Magic, which continues to be the lifeblood of the ecosystem. With more ways to earn, use, and stake Dollar Magic, demand is expected to rise in the coming weeks. Market reaction. Following the announcement, Dollar Magic saw a noticeable spike in trading volume, with collectors and investors racing to take advantage of the news. NFT prices within the ecosystem have also started to trend upwards as confidence in the project grows. Final thoughts. If you're already part of the Treasure community, this update brings more ways to play, earn, and participate. And if you're new to the ecosystem, now is the perfect time to dive in and explore what Treasure has to offer. Stay tuned. This is only the beginning. The metaverse is calling, and Treasure is leading the way.